Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to return Zalando items. The first thing that I would like you to do is to begin by launching the Zalando app on your smartphone. Ensure that you are logged into your account. If you do not have one, I would like you to take a moment to create it because it is pretty much quick and easy. So once you're logged in, it's going to take you to this fantastic home page, which has a fantastic user experience. Beautiful interface, I must say. Now from here, go ahead and tap on the account icon that is typically located at the top right corner. It used to be at the bottom corner, but the app has been updated, so it's now at the top right. Now click on that and it is going to take you right into your account dashboard. So from here, you're going to see a couple of options. You find Zalando Plus, you find others, you find returns, you find loyalty programs, you find personal data, gift cards, app settings, you sell boxes. I'd like you to click on others. You click on others. And once you select others, if you have made any recent purchase or recent purchases, you're going to find them here. So what you're going to do, I have not made any recent purchases, not in show. So just browse through your orders and tap on the one containing the item that you wish to return. And once you're done, tap on return items next to the other. Once you do that, you'll be prompted to select the specific items you want to return and provide a reason for each. Look at it at the top here, return an item. So click it, return an item. So you'll be prompted to select the specific items that you want to return and provide a reason for each. This feedback helps Zalando improve their services. So Zalando offers two convenient return options. One, you can opt for QR code. To opt for a digital return by selecting the QR code option. You receive a QR code that you can represent a designated drop-off point. And you have the return label. If you prefer, you can download and print a return label, affix it to your package before sending it back. I'd like you to know that as of May 2025, Zalando no longer includes paper return labels in parcels. Digital options are now the standard. So place the items in their original packaging, ensuring that they're in the condition you received them. Seal the package securely. Take your package to the nearest designated drop-off point. Present a QR code on your smartphone. The staff will scan it and hand you the rest, or affix the printed label to your package and hand it over at a drop-off point. So once Zalando receives and processes your return, whether they'll issue a refund to your original payment method. This typically takes up to 14 days. Zalando offers a 100-day return policy, allowing you ample time to decide if an item is right for you. Ensure items are unworn, unwashed, and have all original tags attached to qualify for a return. Returns are free when using Zalando's provided return methods. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you are done, you will be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.